हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज आम करवा द सोल्टर रिपेयर रो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। प्रथम क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द पोएम? आंसर है स्वीट म्यूजिक ए प्लेस टू। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द सेटिंग ऑफ द पोएम इज डैश द माउंटेन रीजन्स ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हु आर द पीपल डेस्क्राइब इन द पोएम? कवितार केउं व्यक्तिविशेषों विषय रे वर्णना करा जायछि? In the poem, the people passing by the poet are described. कवि पाख दे अतिक्रम कर व्यक्ति कथा कहुई। एवं 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हु डज द एक्सप्रेशंस हाइलैंडलेस रिफर टू? व्हाई डज द डिस्क्राइब हर एज योन सोल्टर हाइलैंडलेस? उक्ति क्या सूचित करुच्ची? से कहीं शस्य कटाड़ी योन सोल्टर हाइलैंडलेस बोली अभिहित कर। The expression highlandless refers to the Salter Reaper. He describes her as yon Salter highlandless because she is all alone in the mountain regions. 5 number. What is the girl doing? Jyoti kon karuchi? The girl is singing by herself while leaping the grain. Who does the poet say stop here or gently pass? Why does he say so? कवि क्या कहते स्टॉप हियर और जेंटली पास? से कहीं कहते द पोएट सेज टू द पासर बॉय स्टॉप हियर और जेंटली पास ही सेज सो टू एंजॉय द रिपेयर्स स्वीट सॉन्ग थ्रोली। पिक आउट द वर्ड्स व्हिच टेल दैट द गर्ल डज नॉट हैव एनीवन बाय हर साइड। द वर्ड्स व्हिच टेल दैट द गर्ल डज नॉट हैव एनीवन बाय हर साइड are yon Salter Highlandless and by herself. 8 number. What is the tone of her song? Happy, sad, smoothing or sympathetic? झीटर गीतर भाव कौन? सुख, दुख, आराम व सहानुभूति मूलक? The tone of her song is sadness. 9 number. Overflowing with sound, explain. এই উক্তির ব্যাখ্যা করো। The expressions overflowing with sound means the free flowing voice of the maiden songs that spread all over the valley. 10 number. The Salter Reaper songs remind the poet of their singers. Who are they? निज शस्य कोठालीर गीत कवि अन्य गायिका मान विषय मन पकाई देउछे। सेमाने किए? The Salter Reaper songs reminds the poet of other singers. They are Cuckoo and Nightingale. 11 number question. Who sings welcome notes where for whom what for? किए स्वागत संगीत गाना करते केउठारे कहाँ केउथिपाई? Answer. The nightingale sings welcome notes in the Arabian deserts for the band of extremely tired travelers to give them the thrill of her melodious music. 12 number. Whose voice is thrilling? कହାର स्वर रोमांचक अटे? The cuckoo's voice is thrilling. 13 number. Where does it sing? When? यह केउठारे गीत गाए? कोइली केउठारे गीत गाए और केतेबेले? It sings from the farthest harvests in spring time. ଏବେ ଆସିବା 14 number. Who does Wordsworth compare the farmer girl with why? କୃଷକ ଝିଅକୁ କାହା ସହିତ ତୁଳନା କରିଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି? The poet Wordsworth compares the farmer girl with the nightingale and the cuckoo because the girl or the maiden or the repair song sings melodiously like the nightingale or the cuckoo. 15 number. The present girl's song is not intelligible to the poet because कृषक झीर गीत कवि अस्पष्ट व अबाध्य अटे कारण her song is in a dialect he does not understand. He is far away to hear the words of the song. Her voice is not clear as she is humaning the words. Her voice is too spot for him to get. Her song is dialect he does not understand. स्कॉटलैंड का आंचलिक भाषा रे एटा कहते डिलेक्ट। 16 नंबर को व्हाट डज द परहैप्स हम्बलनेस मीन्स? वाक्यांश हम्बलनेस कौन सूचित करुछि? द परहैप्स हम्बलनेस मीन द सॉन्ग ऑफ रेगुलर ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ स्टोरी. 17 number. The expressions planet of numbers refer to sad music. Picks out another perhaps. in the poem carrying the same meaning. Plaintive numbers ଉକ୍ତି ଦୁଃଖ ସଙ୍ଗୀତକୁ ସୂଚିତ କରୁଛି। ଅର୍ଥ ବହନ କରୁଥିବା ଅନ୍ୟ କବିତାର ଏକ ବାକ୍ୟାଂଶ ବାହାର କର। The expressions plaintive numbers refer to sad music. Another paragraphs in the poem carrying implying ସୂଚିତ କରୁଥିବା। The same meaning is a melancholy strain. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଆସିବା 18 ନମ୍ବର। What does the poet mean to say as if her song could have no ending? As if her song could have no ending ବୋଲି କବି କେଉଁ ଅର୍ଥରେ କହିଛନ୍ତି? Her song is too long to end. She keeps on singing and seems not to end. The poet doesn't want the song to end. The song contains an everlasting universal theme which recycle. But the song contains an everlasting universal theme which recycle. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଯିବା 19 ନମ୍ବରକୁ। ଦ ପୋଏଟ୍ ଲିସନ୍ସ ମୋସନଲେସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ବିକୋଜ୍ ଡେସ୍। ନିଶ୍ଚଳ ନୀରବ ହୋଇ କବି ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ ଡେସ୍। ଦ ରିଚ୍ ମେଲୋଡ଼ିୟସ୍ ଭଏସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସିଙ୍ଗର ହୋଲ୍ଡସ୍ ହିମ୍ mesmerized and spellbound. 20 ନମ୍ବର। ହାଉ ଡିଡ୍ ଦ ସଙ୍ଗ affects the narrator? ଗୀତଟି କିପରି କବିଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ କରିଥିଲା? ଦ ପୋଏଟ୍ continues to hum the melodious song of the reaper even after a long period of time had passed since he first listened to the song. In stanza 1 and stanza 2, for words the paragraphs have been used to show that the girl working in the field is without anyone by her. Pick out these words and paragraphs. पंक्ति 1 और 2 रे 4ଟି ଶବ୍ଦ ବା ବାକ୍ୟାଂଶ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛି ଯାହାକି ଝିଅଟି କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ନିଃସଙ୍ଗ ଭାବେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିବାର ଦର୍ଶାଉଛି। ଶବ୍ଦ ବା ବାକ୍ୟାଂଶ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଚୟନ କର ବା ବାହାର କର। Answer: for words or paragraphs in stanza 1 and stanza 2 have been used to show that the girl working in the field is without anyone by her. These words or paragraphs are single in the field. Yon solitary handleless, reaping and singing by herself and the world alone. 22 number. The theme of the solitary reaper's song contains sadness. What other words are used in place of sad? ନିର୍ଜନ ଶସ୍ୟ କଟାଳୀର ଗୀତର ସାରମର୍ମ ଦୁଃଖ ଭିତ୍ତିକ। ସେଡ୍ ବଦଳରେ ଅନ୍ୟ କେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛି? The theme of the solitary reaper's song contains sadness. The other words used in place of sad are melancholy, plaintive, sorrow and pain. ଯିବା 23 ନମ୍ବର। What are the two synonyms for the young girl? ଯୁବତୀର ଅନ୍ୟ ଦୁଇଟି ପ୍ରତିଶବ୍ଦ କ'ଣ? The two synonyms for the young girls are lass and maiden. 24 number. 3 other words are used to mean song. What are they? Song ବା ଗୀତକୁ ସୂଚିତ କରୁଥିବା ଅନ୍ୟ 3ଟି ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ା କ'ଣ? The 3 others words to mean song are strain, numbers and lay. 25 number. A melancholy strain in stanza 2 means sad songs. Find out another perhaps in stanza 5 with similar meaning. A melancholy strain ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଦୁଃଖ ଗୀତ। पंक्ति 5 रे एक अर्थ बहन करता अन्य एक वाक्यांश बाहर कर। A melancholy strain in stanza 2 means sad song. Another perhaps in stanza 5 with similar meaning in plaintive numbers. 26 number. शेष क्वेश्चन। Which word in stanza 5 expression the poet Gus? पंक्ति 5 रे केउं शब्द कविंकर अनुमान को प्रकाश करछि? The words perhaps in stanza 5 expression the poet Gus. रही रहुची जय जगन्नाथ।